Alright everyone, I figured I'll show you what I got going on disassembling the front axle. Um, it's kind of a pain to do, but gotta do it to replace the axle shaft seal. So, show you what's going on under here. Alright, there's your front axle. Well, at least the driver's side part of it anyways. Got the gear there at the sliding collar goes over. That is the return spring for your front actuator. Starter. As you can tell, there is a piece missing here. There is a bar. It goes down. The passenger side axle tube bolts to. I've already got that out. I gotta take out a bunch of that wiring, and we're putting a new harness in this thing, 94 harness. This way both my 3/4 and 1 ton trucks will be 94 big blocks. Cut down on some confusion of things, but that's another video. There are, what is there? There's 5 bolts to take that out, plus the 2 that go up. So let's go take a look at the passenger side axle shaft tube. There it is in all of its glory. Greasy and grimy. That's what I forgot. I forgot to grab a rag. There's an old used one. Close enough. Okay. So there is a washer right here. This was actually stuck to the other gear on the driver's side part of the housing. There's your electronic actuator. Well, 97 and older it's thermal, 97 or 98 and newer is electric. This is the conversion. You go from thermal to electric. And then, where is it? Yep. That guy right there is what shuts your ABS, rear ABS off on these trucks when it's in 4-wheel drive. So to be able to take this out, that puck on the bottom of that is part of the update kit for the electronic actuator. And then there is a lock ring there. Oh, look at that, there's another washer here. So don't be losing that. It's another washer. So let's take the snap ring. Okay. That there. Oh. There's the actuator puck. I misspoke about what was stuck on the bottom of that spring. I think. That just fell out from in there. Yep, that is the actuator. Spring, what is going on? I just took a washer off of this guy. Okay, so it's a double washer. The one with the ears goes underneath the one without the ears. Okay. There. Now we're going to replace that seal. Clean this guy up some more. So anyways, that's the best way to, well, pretty much the only way to take that apart. Unlike the driver's side, you can't just go and knock that axle shaft out because you will break things and you're going to be tearing it apart anyways. So you're going to have probably about 6 hours into doing all of that. Installation is the reverse of removal. So hope that answers a couple questions for somebody. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.